Moving on, let's talk about widgets and buttons. So since Notion introduced this new feature, the buttons, I just had to implement this in Limitless Notion. So here you have over 200 different kind of buttons that do different kind of things, opening pages, editing databases, adding new information. So these are buttons that you can use, you can put anywhere in the template where you want. Okay, as you can see, you have different categories. So the growth hub, work buttons, finance buttons, career, love, social, home buttons. And you can just simply copy any button that you want, simply just clicking on uh, Control C, and you can go in any page and just Control V, and then you can use this button. So if you click on this, you just graded today's day to 2 stars. Okay, so you can also edit these buttons. So I mentioned in the habits section that you have habits here, so brush teeth and so on. And if you rename the habit, it won't rename the buttons. So you have to rename also these buttons. And it's easy. If you just click on edit button, and you can rename it to whatever you want. And if you open any button, you will see what exactly it does. So this took supplements means that when the button is clicked, it will edit the pages in days, and it will tick the supplements property. And we also have a filter here that it only edits for today. Okay, so this is what this button does. But let's check another one. So for example, new course, what it will do is that it will add the new page to the resources database. It won't give a name, but it will select the collection to courses, the length type to lessons, and the status to not started. Okay, so if you click on this, you can just create a new course example. Okay, and you will have it in your resources database. And with the same principle, you have new projects, new tasks, new personal tasks. So for example, here the category is personal, but you can, if you change the categories or you create new categories, you can just simply change to new, you see. So uh, it is really easy to work with buttons, and it's really worth it. So you should really learn how to use these and implement in your system. Okay, and if you want to create a new button, you just go create a new button, and you have a couple of options: insert blocks, add a new page, or edit page, and of course open page. Okay, and you just select what you want, and then edit it as you want. Like databases. Okay, and if you click it, it will open the databases page in SitePeak. Like you have all the hubs here, or the today's habits or calendar. Okay, so these are the buttons. Feel free to use them. You can play with them, see which one you would like to use, and let's go to see also the widgets. So if you open the widgets page, you can see also buttons, but these are a little bit different, because if you click on these, it will create a little part of the template. So let me just show you. For example, you have tags. If you click on it, it will create a so-called widget. As you can see, you will have uh, the tags database here. Okay, and the same is for the others. So for finance widgets, you have expenses. Let's open a few today's habits, TV shows. As you can see, you can use these buttons to create widgets that you can use anywhere you want throughout the template. Okay, so these are the widgets. You saw the buttons. Good luck customizing this Limitless OS 3.0 to your liking.